Hey guys, welcome back. Jonny B again, Kelly's Used Cars, Auburndale, Florida. Guys, you know how much I love secondary financing, and I want to explain to you a little bit how that works. Coming in, reestablishing your credit for the first time, second time, or even the third time in some cases, guys. You got to give it some time. Allow yourself about 12 to 18 months of making your payments as agreed. That is the number one and most important process in moving on to your dream car. Remember, coming in after a repossession of your first car, this may not be the car you want, guys, but allow yourself to grow off of it. 12 to 18 months is what these lenders are looking for to give you a solid credit rating, to allow you to grow your score. Showing that you've performed effectively for that amount of time will not only raise your score, lessen your risk factor, but get you a better interest rate. Take some of these tips from us here at Kelly's Auburndale and give us a call if you just don't know. Thanks.